our kind of coming out party with PX4 and the open community here. The fact that we've been able to do that now has been amazing, and I wanted to really meet the community and make sure that the community knew how much we cared for them and appreciated the work that the open source community had done for our company.
Ramon really did a great job throwing this on, and then just getting to meet people that are passionate about this stuff, right? It's exciting, and so I couldn't be more honored to be here and get to talk at this event. Yeah, open source has been, monumentally helpful in everything that we do.
Really, I think this is the first of a lot of these events, and I can't wait until the next one.